Hey guys, it's Leche661 bringing you guys the review of the HP Chromebook 14 from Walmart. I spent a month and a half with this laptop and I'm going to tell you guys firsthand, it's a really great laptop. Start off with the ports, headphone, charging, SD, USB, charging, nice and slim. And first off, this laptop is extremely fast. I've been through all kinds of websites, gone through the App Store, and I have to say it's a really great laptop for the price. So if you guys are looking at getting a new laptop, especially with the updates right now, some of you guys are having to get a new laptop because your Google Chrome is not updating because it might be old. This is one to get. I paid $245 for it, but I got the 2-year warranty and it came out to $312. But it's worth it. I needed a laptop already. I was using some junk from like 2013 before, and oh my god, man, that shit was fucking so slow. I'm sorry, I'm cussing, but that's how I felt. Like, this laptop right here is 100 times better. Like, it's Chrome though. That's the thing. You guys gotta keep that in mind. That if it's Chrome, it's not gonna run the same apps as other Windows, such as like Photoshop and other editing apps that you might be used to. But it's no biggie, because if you just go right here to the App Store where I was at earlier, you got a lot of editing. Like here, watch video editor. And this is why I got this laptop, because I want to get into editing my YouTube videos and take YouTube a little more serious. So this was the first step I needed in that path. And then, like I said, Chrome. Like I said, oh, and also check out the review. And I did a review a month and a half. Not a review, my bad. An unboxing. This is the review. It shows all the components that came with the laptop, chargers, wires, the box. You guys check that out if you guys want to see what it came with. But this laptop can't get viruses because Chrome, the way it is, it filters it out. It's its own thing. Like Windows is its own thing. This is its own thing. And yeah, like, highly recommend it. I got it at Walmart once again. You guys get it online, especially right now with the coronavirus and the quarantine, everything's closed. You guys could get it shipped to your house on Amazon or Walmart.com. And I'll even have a link of the unboxing video below, so you guys could check it out what it came with. But this was just to tell you if it's worth it and a final review. And yeah, if you guys are looking into getting it, go for it. Don't be scared, just get it. And that was it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. A small channel trying to grow. Gaming, reviews, and I'm going to start doing vlogs later on. But as of right now, I'm still working on a few things. But thank you guys for being there, subscribing and all that. And that's it. Later on, guys. Thanks.